Hi, myself Keshav Verma, and I want to share my feedback about my first session with the Anuja madam. Honestly, it felt magical the way Anuja madam was describing my traits. Some of the things she pointed out, I have never thought about myself, but later I realized that I am somewhat like that. The session helped me see both my strengths and my areas which I can improve. But the way she told me, like, it was not like criticism, it was more like the guidance session. So I also liked the report and the coverage which the ma'am had later on shared with me. And overall, the session was really eye-opening for me, and I am looking forward to the next one to learn how I can apply the these insights in my real life. Thank you. Hi, I want to share my feedback for the second session. So, compared to the first session, the session went a step ahead. It was not just about myself, but also connecting my trades with actual career paths. The way Anuja madam explained the 7D frameworks and the working pyramid gave me a clear structure to think about my future. I really liked how she connect my strengths in tech and leadership with fields like cybersecurity, AI, fintech, and entrepreneurship. It made me realize that my career doesn't have to be one dimensional. It can explore intersection of technology and business. The also she had provided me the workbook which is very practical because now I can research each field myself instead of just depending on the report. Overall, the session made things more concentrate and gave me a roadmap on how to move from where I am today towards the leadership or the entrepreneur roles in the future. Thank you.